Tenerics here. This is my 2006 Jeep LJ. Had it for quite a few years now. Tore it apart for 2 years, put it together here. I've swapped the axles, 2 teraflex axles. It's got SteerSmart steering, partial custom steering, PSC, hydraulic, pump steering, everything for that. King coilovers, everything's been Frenched into the frame. Running 39-inch Kanati tires. Rockslide engineering steps. They're a power step. So whenever you open the door,
Woo!
drops down, makes it easy to get in, and then it's a full-on rock slider. You can go and beat them up.
That is awesome.
I did a Highline hood, so I did cut the hood. Raised the fenders up so I could clear a big tire. Cut the back of the Jeep, stretched everything back. Get more wheelbase. It sits at 111 now. Still rocking Kings in the back. Poison Spider fender flares, trailgate, Rockslide engineering bumper, and then all teraflex skid plates on the bottom side.
You said you've had this thing for how long?
7 years now?
Dang.
So
Dang.
it's been quite the project.
That thing is awesome.
Interior, I've done Bartact seat covers. They do a lot of custom stuff. You got the seat covers, the bag on the dash. They also do the custom handles here. Switch Pro to control all my electronics.
Right there on the dash.
Yep.
Thing is awesome. Job well done.
It's made to wheel.
Heck yeah. Where can they find you at?
You can find me on Rockslide Engineering page. I manage that page. That LJ Guy on Instagram and Tenerics on Facebook.
Okay, sweet. Thanks, Tanner. Appreciate it.
Thank you.